Hey guys, so we got a new garage fridge. We have an old Frigidaire one. We actually had the old one many years ago, and we had really good luck with it. And so we're just looking for a cheap fridge, and we're like, oh, we'll get the same one. And I don't know what happened to Frigidaire, but it's not the same. We've had nothing but issues with it, and other people have said that, you know, Frigidaire is kind of, anyway. We went with the bigger, it's 27.4, it's a little uneven.
Well, I don't have the wheels dialed up until we move it in place.
It's 27.4 cubic feet. It's a Samsung. So you can see it's got water, cube ice, and crushed ice. We're gonna have this as a garage fridge, but Brian does plan on hooking a water line up to it, just so that when we're outside we can get like fresh water and stuff. And the handles are all inside the door here, so nothing kind of hangs out, which is nice. Inside, we've done a video before, we have like a French style, but for out here, side by side works a lot better for us. So we do have it plugged in.
It's already dropped down a little bit, cool.
Yeah, so it was at 80 a little bit ago. In order to change this, you have to hold the lock button for 3 seconds until it goes off. And then you can change, you know, your temperatures and stuff like that, or check them. It's always gonna show the temperature that the fridge sits at. So right now we're at 67. When it gets to the temperature, then it will show you. So like I said, it was at 80 and now it's down. You've got your door alarm here. We have it on, and you have your ice maker, which we have off because we don't have any water hooked up to it. And then down here is gonna be like your filter area, Brian thinks. It's locked right now.
Probably gotta push in. I haven't got the directions of it, but I'll worry about that when I get to it. But
Yeah.
like the old one, you probably push in a little bit, and I'll do a video when I hook the water up and stuff. But this is, it'll take me like my next days off to run the water line.
Yeah, so anyway, we've got, if you notice up here, there's no flip up, which there used to be on a bunch of fridges. It's a shelf. It's kind of nice that the shelf is there. Everything is easy, you know, to pop up. The shelves come out, like, they have like a little lip here, but if you just pull up, it slides right out to clean. And then everything has like rear on the back of the shelf, so you know that that's the back of the shelf to go in. The drawers and everything will slide out, and everything's got some kind of a lock mechanism or a lift up to get it all the way out, but at least you can bring them out to clean them. I'll show you that.
Leave it open and let it beep.
Oh, okay. Here's the freezer section. So you've got your ice in the door, a couple of door shelves, and all these shelves. Now our old fridge, our ice section sat here, so we lost basically this whole area. So I'm very excited about this, to have like that extra freezer space. So now you hear that beep. That's telling us that our door's been open too long.
Want to do that too?
Oh, and then you can remove the ice bin. There's like 2 handles on each side that you pull in together and it comes out. And put that there. And you have your ice bucket operations here. We left it on just, you know, to leave it on. Anyway, so this is our new garage fridge. We still have the plastic on. We actually still have the plastic on our old one, just because less scratches, you know. I mean, it's not gonna affect anything. You can take it off anytime.
Hey baby, why don't you get a milk real quick? We'll see if the milk, a gallon of milk fits in. I'm gonna show the back what it looks like here. Here's the water line layout. Again, I'm going to put all that when I get the water line ran through the house. It did have the power plug, and it was like a little tether up here, so I'm not sure if I'll keep that or let it go on the ground, but at least I know where it's at when it's in place here. So the boss got a thing, see if it
Yeah,
fits.
so the milk will fit fine on the shelves.
It's a lot of room.
Which is nice, and it's got a lot of them, so technically we could put milks on a couple shelves, or probably Gatorade. But if you want to put milks here, it's not going to fit here. It will fit on this shelf, and it will fit on this shelf. The one thing to keep in mind is that they are set shelves. It's not necessarily like you can move them or hooks or anything, which honestly, in my opinion, is a little bit better, because I think in our last one we had some of the hooks.
We'll go look over there. You can see what we're talking about. But well, the boss doesn't know, but there's 7 of us, so I'll get 10 milks at a pop because we go to Sam's and it's 80 miles away. So that's, I think that weighs 8 pounds, like a gallon of water. I'd have to really do the math on it, but we broke some, so this will be good, and we'll have them in the door. We'll try to disperse the weight and stuff, but we're very excited with it, and hopefully we get many years. And Melissa has a Total Tech package, so I have extra.
Yep, so we got it from Best Buy. He can link it, so there's the actual model. The only thing that does stink about the filter stuff being here is now we've lost the space in this drawer where, on the other one it's 2 big drawers like this. So that does kind of stink because it comes in and you sort of lose that. But I mean, it's not a deal breaker. I don't keep a whole lot in my drawers, potatoes and stuff, so and if they don't put it there, they're gonna end up putting it back here somewhere, so you'll lose that space. I mean, realistically, it's not, like I said, a huge deal breaker, but
Yeah, we're excited. And again, what I was saying about the Total Tech package, like any warranties on this one, like that you were looked at? Like our old one had the 10-year on the lineator.
So if you, I don't know, I have to look at that. If you, with the Total Tech, you automatically get like a 2-year warranty. And the nice thing about the Total Tech is that almost all of their products you can continue paying per month. So if it's a bigger purchases like this would be nice. So it automatically comes with a warranty. You don't have to buy like a 5-year or a 3-year because you automatically get to. Not saying that they wouldn't let you buy it, but we have that. And he's right. On our old fridge, there was like the mechanism through LG. So I don't know. I'll have to look up if anything extra comes with Samsung on this, and we can put it in the description or something. But the one on the LG is a little bit fancier of a system on their
This is more
fridge.
of a plain Jane, and that's what we were looking for.
Yeah.
It'll be convenient though that we'll have ice water in the garage. I'm not wasting bottles of water when I'm outside working on stuff. But we're pumped, and thanks guys.
Yeah, it'll do great. It was on sale. We did miss the better sale, but it's on sale right now in stainless steel. I was willing to get white or black, thinking that it would be cheaper, and either one of them were cheaper. So,
Thanks guys.
Thanks.
See y'all out there. Bye.